Hi, I'm May from Langmaster Learning System. In this video, we will learn vocabulary about music. Part 1. Musical instruments. First, let's learn about popular musical instruments. Guitar. Guitar. Piano. Piano. Drum. Drum. Violin. Violin. Flute. Flute. Saxophone. Saxophone. Trumpet. Trumpet. Cello. Cello. Tambourine. Tambourine. Bass guitar. Bass guitar. Harp. Harp. Keyboard. Keyboard. Part 2. Musical genres. Explore the world of music with these popular genres. Pop. Pop. Rock. Rock. Jazz. Jazz. Classical. Classical. Hip hop. Hip hop. Blues. Blues. Country. Country. Electronic. Electronic. Folk. Folk. Disco. Disco. Opera. Opera. March. March. Ballet. Ballet. Part 3. People in music industry. Now let's discover the people behind the music you love. Singer. Singer. Vocalist. Vocalist. Rapper. Rapper. Dancer. Dancer. Backup dancer. Backup dancer. Vocal coach. Vocal coach. Lyricist. Lyricist. Composer. Composer. Producer. Producer. Conductor. conductor. Part 4. Musical activities. Let's explore common activities in music. Listen to music. Listen to music. Sing a song. Sing a song. Dance on stage. Dance on stage. Cover songs. Cover songs. Hum melody. Hum melody. Join a fan club. Join a fan club. Go to a concert. Go to a concert. Cheer for your idol. Cheer for your idol. Get an autograph. Get an autograph. Watch a live show. Watch a live show. Write lyrics. Write lyrics. Rehearse a performance. Rehearse a performance. Record music. Record music. Compose music. Compose music. Conduct orchestra. Conduct orchestra. Part 5. Super short music phrases. Get ready to feel the beat with these super short music phrases. This is my jam. This is my jam. Dance to the beat. Dance to the beat. Turn up the volume. Turn up the volume. Sing it loud. Sing it loud. The crowd is wild. The crowd is wild. Play that track. Play that track. Rock the stage. Rock the stage. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Sing along now. Sing along now. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Make some noise. Make some noise. Part 6. Idioms about music. Finally, discover common music idioms and their meanings. Music to my ears. Music to my ears. Face the music. Face the music. Change your tune. Change your tune. Blow your own trumpet. Blow your own trumpet. Strike a chord. Strike a chord. Play it by ear. Play it by ear. Change the record. Change the record. Off key. Off key. Hit the right note. Hit the right note. That's all for today, guys. Hope these music vocabulary words help you enjoy, understand, and explore new sounds every day. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I am May from Langmaster Learning System. See you next time!